we're just about 1 hour into the flight of landing into Hawaii, and as part of the trip, the flight attendants, they gave us a drink called Mai Tais.
It tastes like ramen tropical fruits. It tastes like freezies.
Freezies?
It actually tastes like a freezie.
Dang, so fancy. We're drinking alcohol on the plane. So we've just landed in Hawaii! Yo!
Hi YouTube! So kawaii.
We're in the island, Kauai Island. And we're just about to get our cars and go to our hotel and eat some food. You want to eat? What do you want to eat, man? What do you want to eat? Crystal's really hungry.
I'm so hungry. Even though I'm cutting. I can't
It's okay, we cut for this and now you're here, you don't cut anymore.
I didn't even, I started cutting 2 weeks before.
Hi guys, welcome to Kauai, and this is our crew.
Driving down the wrong road, playing games and feeling low, messing with my mind. How'd you do it this time? Don't know where it all goes, leaving me behind. Can you take a step back? Tired of playing catch up. Would it really hurt you that much? It's right in front of your face, yeah, you look the wrong way. Can you feel my touch? But it feels like every time you look at me that way, you feel the love in your heart, but you don't know what to say.
We got some ahi tuna from a local like drop-in shop. We're outside now, but anyways, it's some Hawaiian caught tuna with some you know it, scallops. It's good.
Really good.
I'm so excited. And Nick over here got like a spam musubi with like half a pound with just straight up salmon. So this guy's gonna eat protein for days. All right, time to chow. We just made it to right across the Poke Express, right? We have a Walmart.
Yep, and they're buying sunglasses.
Yeah.
Mai Tai!
Yeah, so Mai Tai is apparently some Hawaiian alcohol.
Oh, we should get pina colada mix.
This is our alcohol bartender, so body check guy. So he's in charge of making sure that we have a good time this week. Yeah, and now featuring, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, but Stephanie and Tony and Prash and Chris have, I don't know where they are, but they have joined the party as well. So, welcome.
Made it. Chilling at the hot tub with the boys. Hey!
Egg sandwich and loco moco, which is Prash.
So yummy.
Loco moco is like some beef patty with some gravy and some egg. Alright, so right now we are at some falls. I'll show you guys in a bit. And yeah. But yeah.
Let's throw the board away. Oh, can you give love a try, even if it's for a day?
After a couple of minutes, half an hour or an hour of strenuous work, we made it!
Threw away your first chance. What happened to our romance? Let's do it a second time. I can't stand here all day. Soon I'll look the other way.
Alright, we just came back from the falls. We swam in there a little bit. The water is like really cold, but it's refreshing because it's so hot out here. Today's leg day, man. We're gonna go grab some food and meet up with Stanley and Stella, right?
Luau 5.
Yeah, we got Luau 5, so get to see some culture. Just made it to the Smith family garden luau. Oh yeah, he's also very drunk.
It's only a third cup.
We pre-drank for the all-you-can-drink, whatever that means. We are on a tram, and we're about to. We got like a bunch of necklaces that they gave us. Whee, pretty shells. And yeah, we're gonna eat. Apparently, this place has the best meal on the island, so I'm really forward to the all-you-can-eat.
It's so big. Look at it.
This guy just really wants to show you guys the peacock right here.
He likes showing off big peacocks.
What'd you say?
He likes showing off big peacocks.
Here is 3 feet wide, 5 feet long, and 3 feet deep. And this pig here just out this morning, close to 150 pounds.
Ooh. Hot, man.
All right, and there's our Kalua Pua'a, or our Kalua pig.
I can't stand here all day, soon I'll look the other way. Why can't you just be mine? Let's embrace the sunshine, winter's gone and you'll be fine. Darling, let's believe in us. It's right in front of your face, yet you look the wrong way. Can't you feel my touch? But it feels like
we're about to go snorkeling. We have to drive like 45 minutes to the snorkeling place, and apparently we can't be late, so we have to leave by like 6:15 latest. And I'm so tired. I have like all these mosquito bites on my leg, and last night the luau was fun, but basically we were like all you can eat buffet for the mosquitoes too.
every time you look at me that way, you feel the love in your heart, but you don't know what to say. I'm tired of playing games, let's throw the board away. Oh, can you give love a try, even if it's for a day?
I still remember loving the danger. You set me on fire when I'm by your side. You're taking me higher, I'll follow you down if you go down.
Around the north side of Kauai right now, like along the Napoleon coast, and we're sailing, but we really want to snorkel. It's like a 5-hour snorkel ride, so we're just trying to wait patiently. Every time he's like, so get out, we're like, your snorkel goggles, but he's like, get out your cameras. So like, we're just waiting it out. They have these like quiches on board that are like spinach and cheese. Actually, Anwar's eating one right now, I'll show you. Yeah, those quiches are good, eh?
So good.
Yeah, we ate like so many. I had like 2 meat quiches. Can't stop eating 3.
Now you say you wanna get away, you wanna take me all the way. Might get burned if you get closer to the sun. I want ya. We can burn together, fading into one another. Oh, 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 don't you know you're still loving through me, baby? We could run free if you do it just the way you like. Maybe I could waste my time on you. Never mind all the worries. If you do it just the way you like, maybe I could waste my time on you.
The last full day we have here, and we're eating breakfast. We're about to go on a hike and go to the beach for the first time today. And we got a kitchen full of men.
A man full of kitchens.
Yes.
A man full of kitchens.
And we're having some instant noodles with some eggs and cheese and beautiful spam. How's the ramen?
It's looking good.
Now we're driving to where, Prash?
We're driving back to the same lookout point we went to because it's too wet right now to see anything up here.
It's like hot AF down there, but it's cold AF and wet AF up here.
My deepest of secrets, trust you to keep them. Hiding the words that I cannot what you wanted. I got what you needed.
And the water is so clear.
We came right at high tide season, so we're just like logging through the waves. Waves are so intense.
It's all in the way